Hey, I got a light, boy. Hey, I got a light. Hey, I got a light, boy.
So here I have a car that I've built a long time ago. It was one of my first models that I made when I got back into this, a model making Malarkey. I'm going to use one of these little puffers here for the first part of it and just give it all a blast to get rid of some of the, you don't want it to be too harsh, but some of the dust. Then one of these, if you can get hold of one that's just so good for doing this sort of thing. You can use makeup brushes as well. Actually, here's one but on a long stick that helps to get inside some of the really awkward places. And doing all this gently as well, not too hard. I speeded this all up because it would be very boring if I didn't. Then I have some soapy water and a not a well, you could use Q-tips. These are earbuds, but whichever, and just lightly go around some of the dust that's caught in the lines, the detail lines. If you so wish, sometimes it's quite a good idea to leave a little bit in there anyway, and it actually shows up the lines. But you know, using this very lightly. Try not to go too heavy over any of your decals because you don't want to upset those in any way, although if they've been put on well, they shouldn't really come off. But you just need to be as careful as possible. A nice little detail brush is quite handy for getting in smaller places that you can't reach. This car, I must admit, is a little bit easier to clean because it's an open top. Some of the ones obviously that are closed but got one window open or something like that will be a lot more difficult to do, but all you can do is blast it and do your best with some air, hopefully without knocking any parts free. I'm just using a paper towel there or a kitchen roll just to get the excess water off. Just keep on going until you feel that you've got it, and then I'm going to use some polish here and I'm going to put that on with an earbud. Also, I use this stuff that you can get off Amazon. I'll leave a link to that. It's Eco screen cleaner, and it's really good for doing the glass parts. So just giving all of this now a polish up. It might take a couple on the top part of this car because it's been sitting around in dust for a very long time. I do clean them, I do brush them every now and again, but it just takes its toll eventually, the dust, and gets quite a grip on it, to be fair. This wasn't a bad finish on this car when I did it. Some of my newer models, though, are much better finish on. I didn't use any lacquer on this one, but still, nevertheless, it looks good. Now it's got a bit of a shine on it, as you can see. Everything's nice and clean. The window screen is nice and clean. It's all just looking so much better than it did before, as there was a lot of dust clogging up everywhere. So that's just one way I find to do the cleaning on a plastic model kit. There's probably lots of other people out there that will show you a very similar idea. But just gently do it. Don't go too harsh, and it'll work out fine.
Hey, I got a light.